How to fix your internet connection permanently, inshallah. Part 1. In your house. First thing, we will connect RJ45 Ethernet wall socket network faceplate. B, we will connect the same LAN cable also to the RJ11 PSTN wall socket, which is our telephone network faceplate. So both sockets will be connected. Then after that, and now this is the RJ45 cable, which is CAT6 for better performance. So, and this is the PSTN cable also that is connected to the PSTN wall socket, then connected again to the RJ45 wall socket. Then we will connect the PSTN cable, as I said, to the router. Part 2, outside our house. We will move now to replace the PSTN cable connection with RJ45 cable connection in the main telecom box. Then the RJ45 cable will be connected up the telephone box to the RJ45 cable wall socket. We will connect that socket to our CAT6 cable. Then after that we will back to inside the house. Then the last step now is to connecting the CAT6 cable that coming from our Source Telecom Box outside the house to our LAN faceplate inside the house, which is already connected to the PSTN telephone cable to the router, to our router. Then now after that, we can now check on the router that he get a signal or no. Now our router is getting a DSL signal first. Then after that he will be connecting to the internet. Now red lamp is open. That's me now in the connection point. Telephone VoIP system is connected also. We are waiting for the internet connection to be connected. And now Alhamdulillah, is internet now are connected. As you can see, the green lamp is on now. Again, this the CAT6 faceplate to the PSTN, then the PSTN to the router. Thank you very much for attending this video. I hope this will help you to enhance your internet connection.